Finally, we have only one Somali councillor in the council, my brother Ahmed Omar.
Yeah.
You know him. He's also my brother, as far as I'm concerned. Maybe in two political groups now, but when I was the leader of this council in 2008, 2009, he was the first Somali mayor of this council, and we supported him as the mayor, and we still support him. So I want to encourage more of our Somali brothers and sisters to come into politics. We need more people into good jobs. We need more people into business, enterprise, community activists, but also we need politicians. You know, this brother would have been a councillor if he didn't go to Somaliland. Thank you. Very good, my brother. Yeah, but we need names. We need good people who are members of the community to help us. So we want them, support them to be councillors of tomorrow. We need you to be also be part of the power. Yeah, and you've been with me part of the power means you're also powerful. It's important. Yeah, it's important. But once again, thank you, and inshallah, I am part and parcel of you, and I'm only here because of your support. I must say that, and will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.